So it's gonna be a quick video on how to install a G37s LSD into a base model G37 or G35. So basically, this is actually the open diff that I got out of my own 9 because I put I believe a 2013 LSD in it. But basically it's plug and play. The only difference that I found is that for the 2013 models, or I guess the regular 37s, they have threads on the diff. So the problem comes when you try to put it on, because the 2007 through 2009 the threads are on the axles. So you would put the bolt through here and you would tighten it onto the axle. But whenever I had tried to put the diff in to my own 9, it had threads on the diff and the axle, so that wouldn't, tighten up. It would just be threaded in to both of them. So quick fix for that is simply just drill out these holes right here. So about 30 seconds, I believe that's what it was. Just measure the bolt that you took out of your axle, drill it as big as that, and then you'll be good to put your bolt in, tighten it up, and that's pretty much it. I didn't feel no wobble, no vibration. I took it to some drift events, holding up pretty good. So I believe that's the only thing I found. From 07 to 09, you'll need to drill out these holes and you'll be golden. I'm not sure if it's the same for the 010s and up. Those might just be plug and play, but I remember when I tried putting the LSD in mine, I ran into that problem. So if you guys are looking for any information, if it's possible, yes, it's possible, but you will need to drill these out to your bolt so you could thread them in. But yeah, that's about it. Another way you could do it is by getting a bolt and a nut, just putting them through here, tighten it up, and you should be fine with that. I did it to this car, not because I swapped out the LSD, but because I broke my axle and couldn't find any replacements. So let me see. I can barely see, but you see that? I just got a bolt and a nut from Home Depot. Works good. I drifted, clutch kick, I do all that good stuff. Still holding up. So that's another way you can do it. But yeah, that's about it, guys.